10 Scientific Study Tips to Improve Your Learning. Everyone has a study tip they love to share, but what does science say? Here are 10 scientific study tips that are proven to work. 1. Spread it out. Research shows that study sessions are most effective in small, short chunks. This is because your brain is better at encoding information into the synapse, a structure that permits a neuron or nerve cell to pass an electrical or chemical signal to another neuron. In short, repeated sessions. 2. Make flashcards. Rereading over your notes may seem like a good idea, but it can be detrimental as it draws your attention to less important information. It also fails to link concepts together and improve your understanding of the topic. Flashcards, on the other hand, engage active recall by remembering the concept from scratch. 3. Set small goals. Goals are powerful, precise statements about your intentions. They are the results of plans, dreams and desires, and powered by discipline and commitment. Commit a set time each week to study. 4. Train your brain. Random study sessions are a great way to prevent study sessions from getting in the way of your social life, but turns out they are not a great way to learn. Your brain won't know what's happening as it hasn't been trained to learn at that time. 5. Move around. Each time you move from your bed to your desk to the garden to the library, you force your brain to make new associations with the same material. Your knowledge becomes a stronger memory, and as such it's easier to pull from. 6. Quiz yourself. Repeated testing produces superior transfer of learning relative to repeated studying. Repeatedly quizzing yourself affects knowledge retention and transfer of facts and concepts. 7. Write it out. Writing out your notes by hand will help you remember more than if you were to jot your notes using a laptop. 8. Join a study group. Studying with a group isn't for everyone, but it can help you to learn more effectively. When students work together in collaborative teams in classrooms, they learn material better than when they sit alone at their desk. 9. Meditate. Before you sit down to study for 2 hours, stare at a blank wall for 2 minutes and meditate. Take it one step further by practicing yoga before each study session. 10. Listen to music. The most famous theory linking music and cognitive performance is the Mozart effect, the popular idea that listening to Mozart makes you smarter, but a closer look will tell you that just about any classical music can have the same effect. Choose neutral music with a repetitive pulse and don't play it too loud. Finding your preferred study style. Improving study skills is one of the most important things you can do when embarking on further education. Start learning every day in short bursts and you'll never have to pull an all-nighter again.